We're back for another exciting episode of side jobs that you got to do even though there's no money in it because you got to get it done and then you get the dopamine hit so it makes it all right. Now one of these jobs that you got to do is scrapping metal, right? Copper, brass, or aluminum. So when you're collecting wires, right, you get a lot of these things and that's brass right there. And eventually you got to yank that out to collect the brass. I put 4 in a row in there and then I'm just going to grab them, yank them off and boom, did nothing. I'm not making any money with you not coming out of there. Boom! I'm mining for brass right now. What the fuck? So let's do it. 2, 2, 2.